Hello friends, today I am going to tell you the simplest method of making a stylus at home. And the things which we require for making a stylus are mostly available in each and every house. Fine. So before making a stylus, let me introduce you the concept of the stylus and on what phenomena the stylus works. Normally we operate our smartphones or tablets or any touchscreen device using our fingers, and see we are able to open any of the apps. If I want to use a calculator, I can easily use it. Anything we can do on this. Fine. So this is the way our we use our hand to operate a touchscreen device. So what exactly happens when we use the touchscreen device? Our body stores a static charge. We use this static charge to operate our touchscreen devices. So let us make a use of this static charge to make us make stylus, and then we can use that stylus for our smartphones or any device. Fine. So let us get started. The things which we require are a pencil, a cotton bud, a piece of foil paper, silver foil paper. This is available in every home, in every kitchen. We use this to wrap the food. This is the same. Silver foil is a good conductor of electricity, so this is the device, this is the material which is going to transfer our static electricity of our hands to the device, touchscreen device. A transparent tape, water, and scissors. So let us get started. First of all, we will cut this cotton buds at one end like this. So we are going to use this bud. This is a pencil, and we will place it inside the cotton bud. Okay, like this. But this is a bit loose, so we will try to fasten it with cello tape. So let me tear a piece of cello tape. So I'll fasten it there. Instead of pencil, we can also use a pen. By removing its pen refill, we can use that. Now this is fine grip is made. Now we will use this foil paper to wrap this around. So let me cut it a bit. It is much more. We have to wrap this such that the silver foil touches the cotton of the cotton bud. See, this is very easy. Very easily and steadily we can wrap this silver foil. Let us fix this by piece of tape, cello tape. Let me fix this with a piece of cello tape. Just give me a second. In the present time, we need a lot. This is much required device with all of us in this pandemic time, because all the classes for the students, all the classes are going online. Teachers require it. So we are done. Now with the final step, the last step which we need is, we need this water. Dip our finger into the water and wetten the tip of the cotton. This is, we know water is a good conductor of electricity, so we are going to use this as, and since the cotton is soft, so it will not harm our screen. Now let us test. The only important thing which we need to remember is our fingers should touch the silver foil. Okay, so let us see if it works. Let me open my device. See, I am able to use my device easily. I am able to open the calculator, close the calculator, camera app. I am able to open anything what I need, whatever I need on this device. This is how I can use my simple stylus, which is homemade stylus. It will not cost us more than rupee or two. That's it. We can use this, and it is safe for our smartphone screens as well. So that's it. If you like this video, please share with your friends, and if you have any suggestions, you can post it in the comment box. Till then, thank you.